What's up guys, Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. In today's video, we're going to dive into how to edit your storefront on Teespring, how to edit your Teespring storefront, and then how to delete products or shirts or whatever it is that you've got, and how to also delete storefronts. So this is something that I get asked all the time. I thought I'd throw together a quick video showing you how to do it, bit of a tutorial, and yeah, it's pretty easy. Let me show you guys how it's done. If you're new to the channel, I like to talk about print on demand and making money online. So make sure you check out the channel. There's going to be some videos to help you out. Make sure you join the free Facebook group, Print on Demand Mastery. You'll find that on there. We're up over close to 600 members so far and growing every day. So make sure you join that. Ask all your questions in there. And if you have video suggestions or questions, I might actually make a YouTube video just like this one and answer that question for you. Make sure you also check out the Teespring tutorial playlist and the print on demand playlist, which I've got on this channel. That's going to answer most of the questions you have and definitely give you guides to be able to kick some butt with print on demand. Please give the video a like for me. Make sure you hit subscribe. And as I said, any questions or comments, drop them down below. All right, so here we are on the computer, guys. Let's just jump straight into it. So if we're going to go to edit listings, just go up here and click down and go to listings. As you come down and you've got listings here, we'll just go this top one here, and then all you're going to go to is this here. That's that little pencil, and that is going to be your edit button. As you come into this section, you can see that you can change the title, you can change the description, you can change what the URL is, and so that is what's going to come up here after teespring.com. And you can play with the currency settings as well. When you make any changes like this, make sure you hit save, because that is something that people do. They'll make changes and then they'll leave the page and they haven't hit save, and then they'll wonder what's going on. So down the bottom here, it's going to give you available products, and it's going to give you two different prices here based on worldwide and based on US price. So if it's in the EU, it's going to be one price. In the other, it's going to be the US price. So you can set that to whatever you want. And then what it's going to give you here is also the default side. So you can have it set to the back side if you wanted to, or the front side of the shirt, because maybe you want to show off the back side of the shirt for some reason. Maybe you've got a cool design on there. A lot of you guys are just going to edit and post all of your things on the front side of the shirt. So you probably don't need to worry about that. So you would just hit save once you make your decision on that part as well. Now, one thing that people get confused with here with Teespring is how do you delete a shirt? So you can't actually edit the shirt as such. They haven't brought that feature in yet. So let's say you want to get rid of a shirt and you can't find it in here because you won't find it. So what you want to do is go to Storefronts and find that shirt. So we'll just go to Storefronts here. So as you can see here in this demo store, a couple of storefronts here. So let's go to this one. And when you hover over this, you'll see that there's actually a edit icon up here as well. So edit store icon. So we're going to click on that. Now, when we come into this, you can see this is the storefront. And if you come to products here, just click on that. And once you've clicked on that, you can actually see that it's got a delete button here. So a lot of people get confused on how to find that. So that's your delete button there to get rid of it. And then if we go back, this is the next thing that people get confused with. How do they delete a storefront that they don't want? Because if we go back to that other page, it doesn't actually show you that too well either. So if you had your storefront and you're trying to figure out how to delete it, you'd be wondering, well, you click through that pencil again to edit store. And then you come down here and go to settings. And then it's actually down here. So that's how you find delete store, because that is a question that I've had multiple times now. How do I delete my storefront? If you got a storefront that you don't want anymore or you accidentally created, you just come in and delete it from there. And this is another way that you can change your URL up here like I was talking about before. So this one's teespring.com/gamersworld 4. The 4's on the end because obviously someone had Gamers World. And that's pretty much showing you how to do that. And that's it. Nice quick video today, guys. I hope that helps some of you out. I know that this is a question that I've had a few times. People get confused on how to delete listings and how to delete storefronts. So this is something that I thought I'd quickly throw together because it is a question that I get a lot in the YouTube comments and a lot in the Facebook group. So I hope that helps you out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like for me. Any video suggestions you have, comment them down below or join the free Facebook group, which is called Print on Demand Mastery. on Facebook there, obviously, and ask your questions in there, because I will make videos like this which cover them, and then you can just go along and come along for the ride and figure out how to do it. So as I said, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for the continued support. I've just crossed 7,000 subscribers. Thanks so much for that, guys. Really starting to grow now, which is really cool. Yeah, give the video a like, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.